Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be soundproofing this Jeep. It's going to make it sound way better. It's going to be riding pretty much like a luxury car. Pretty much using a Phillips screwdriver. There's supposed to be another Phillips screw in there. There was the cross one, and I don't have one. And this one didn't want to come out. And it's that simple, you guys. Right, it's a good moment to vacuum everything of pretty much all the mess, all the powder, all the dirt that's collected throughout the years down there. And I'm also use alcohol and a rag to clean this section for the sound deadener could, could hold better. I'm going to test this first, if it fits. what I'm going to do, for I won't take out this whole piece, I pretty much pry with one hand and install the adhesive with another. And it should look something like this. See how wide this thing's open? You could reach in there. Like that. Gotta massage this a little bit more in there. Now, to do the other one. I'm going to use this as a template. Pretty much, this is what I did. I installed the sound deadener right here. And all the little pieces that was left over throughout the project, I use them right here. I installed sound deadener this one, then I put the original one on top of it, you know, the one that came with the factory. That's pretty much it. Now, I gotta do the tailgate right there. Pretty much gonna reuse this if I can. I'm gonna add some tape to hold it on place. There's a huge difference now getting inside the car. You know, once you close the door, when I close the door, I can already tell there's a huge difference. Add it everywhere, you know, in the doors and the, you know, back panels and the tailgate. I just need to do the roof now. There's a sound level meter. Now let me do a cold start. You guys can see it's much quieter now. I have a lot of material left. I'm going to be using it on the roof, inside of the roof, in a future project. And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe, and thank you for watching.